This is room 6320. It is a tower room, or as they call a turret room. And we are in outer building Sugarloaf at the Grand Floridian. Same bathroom as a normal outer building standard garden view room. Same closet space. The same 2 robes and a hair dryer. Same entryway as the standard room. Beautiful beds ready for turn down. And I will face back this way to show you the entryway. Beautiful. And I will take you over to beautiful room. Try to show you a little bit more. And the desk area. All of that is the same as a normal standard view room at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. This is outer building Sugarloaf, club level. And this is the extra space. That is the turret of the building. There are actually 3 of these in the Sugarloaf outer building at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Only 2 have balconies, the 2nd and the 3rd floor. There is no bottom floor turret room that I know of. And the 3rd floor is a turret room, but it only has this space. The plus with this room is it has another TV. It has an extra sitting area. Now it does have a couch just like the others, but it also has this, a balcony. Again, the 2nd and 3rd floor rooms have a balcony. That is the courtyard pool below, or the quiet pool. I actually think it's the best pool, to be honest. And across from us, I think, is Boca Chica. And it is a very high commodity for a outer building, non-club level. The garden view would consist of the courtyard pool, and the opposite of this would be the marina. And that is the main building to my far right, over there. That is the tippy top of the villas. The main pool is also over there, but it's smaller. It does have a slide though, and kid-friendly stuff. The Kiki Splash area. And then here is the courtyard pool. It does have a bar. There's no food there, and restrooms and showers. There's the entryway of the Sugarloaf building. And this is the turret room, 3rd floor, 6320. Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida. There's a little bit of a French door that leads out to the balcony. I will go back in. That is the entire balcony. It's lovely. Same size as the normal standard view room, but this is a gorgeous room. And that is my son coming in the door. All right. Thank you very much.